Okay. Have you been using ChatGPT? By now, I think all of you should be experts, but let's just assume that you're not and you're a real estate agent and you're trying to figure out how could you leverage it. Now, I do pay for ChatGPT, but if you simply go to chat.openai, you can use it at no cost. I'm all for it. I need to pay for it just in case the cost goes up. But here, let me just show you to all of the real estate agents out there something that is a little bit newer for many of you. Now, if you have keywords everywhere on ChatGPT, and it might be an automatic plugin now, here's what I want you to see. In the bottom left-hand corner, if you click templates, you're going to get this pop-up in the middle of the screen. You can now choose a category and you can select professionals, subcategory. Oh, wait for it. Realtors. Select a template. You can cold email outreach. You have listing writer, buyer presentation, real estate dictionary. Oh my gosh, it doesn't get any better than that. This is me just really quickly showing you the update. But here's what I want you to know. If you are interested in leveraging ChatGPT as a new real estate agent, I have something for you. This is what I want you to do. I want you to go down to the bottom in my description, and I want you to click on my agent launchpad because I have created my own GPT so you can actually leverage it and learn as a new real estate agent. So I'm giving you free access your first 90 days in real estate, and you can pretty much ask whatever you want. Help me break it. Help me fix it. Go in, ask questions, especially if you're a new real estate agent. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. And if you haven't watched any of the videos on ChatGPT, I want to help you leverage how you can leverage ChatGPT in your business. So click here. I have a whole playlist on ChatGPT. Is there something you want to learn? Is there something you're thinking about trying? Let's have a conversation in the feed. I'm Carrie Little, the designated managing broker of Caremark Realty Group here in Illinois and the broker owner of Caremark Realty Group in Central Florida. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok.